Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. And we had a phenomenal week because every single day was green. We don't have many trades, so it's going to be a quick video, but we will get through every single trade. And with that being said, let's hop right into it. So we are 15 seconds from market open, and one thing that I like to do nowadays is to take one share orders because thinkorswim can be incredibly laggy out of open. And I've actually had certain instances where I cannot execute my orders, where I'll try to sell and it just won't work. So I'm going to be doing a one share order here. We're going to try to make it a winning trade so that we don't affect our win rate. It's kind of more just like a thing for when I imported the chart log. So we're going to look for just a quick bungee pullback here on one share. We have an order out at 312. Okay, no fill. That's kind of weird. Let's try again. Okay, we get our fill at 308. And we are out almost. Now we are. Okay, we did a market order there. And we get out for just a 5-cent profit. And it looks like thinkorswim is working out okay. So let's convert over to 1,000 shares, which is our normal position size. And let's keep looking for a trade. So right now it's looking a little bit weak, and I think we're going to expect to play a bungee pullback here. I'm thinking around 287 level. Let's see if we can get a bungee to 287, watching the bid. I think it's going to go a little bit lower, 285, 286, there we go, 284, fill. And we are out, getting out with a $30 profit. All right, so now we are watching HUSN, and we just pushed to a new high of day. I'm expecting we'll actually get another okay, it just kind of came down a little bit now, so maybe a bungee opportunity isn't as good. I think if it closes above 3.2, we could see a bungee pullback opportunity. Right now I'm watching around $3 as a bungee pullback opportunity. Looks like it will not close above 3.2. I'm looking for, I think I'm going to look for $3 to 2.9. Let's see what we can get. It's still looking a little bit weak. I think $3 would be a good buy. Looking for $3. It's holding up really well at the VWAP. Still waiting for a flush. Okay, I see MDGS now. Looks like it's going to flush down. 2.8. Yeah, let's buy 277 fill. And there we go. And we are out for a $50 profit. So I just pulled up ADTX and it's starting to look a little bit weak. It came up from the, it just reached high of day and it started coming down. We can see all the top wicks. I'm actually looking for a flush down to 225. And there we go. I'm buying it at 228. Okay, we have an order out. We're not getting filled. I'm going to cancel it. Okay, let's just flatten. All right, wow. Wow, we almost got destroyed there. And once again, we're going to take another trade on MDGS. Once again, it looks like it's going to flush, and I'm looking for a flush down to 275. We're just going to stare at the bid, waiting for 275 to pop up, and the second we see it, we're going to let go, because right now we are half-clicking join the bid. 283, 279, 275, there we go. We have an order out, we're not getting filled. Let's drag up the order to 276. Get our fill at 276. And there we go, let's sell. Slowly filling up. There we go. And that's a nice $30 profit. And we are probably going to wrap up the day here. I'm going to screenshot that so I can save that in my logs. And I'm going to wrap it up here. We have made $110 in 20 minutes. Well, actually less than 20 minutes. It's 8:49. So we made it in a little bit less than 20 minutes, but we'll just call it 20. And for those of you who have been wondering where I've been the last 12 days, I just came back home from school and I'm getting back onto a new schedule. But don't worry, I'm going to be back on my normal uploading schedule this week, and I'm going to be doing some live streams on Twitch as well, so you should make sure you follow that and you can get notifications when I go live. And we actually had an awesome Thanksgiving week for trading. And even though we only had 9 days, we ended up making just over $900 profit, with our actual new personal best being on Tuesday with a $540 profit. But anyways, I'll maybe cover those. I might not. I'm not completely sure yet. But I hope you all have a good rest of your weekend. And I hope to see you all in the next video.